Salutations, sir. I would like to show you something I've been working on. I hope you like it. Moony got them apple bottom jeans, boots with the fur, the whole crowd was looking at her. I am here today to you already know where this is going. I have recently reached 10K followers on Twitter. You all know what that means. I made a promise. Pogger egg time. Okay, I got myself a nice wine glass here and an egg, which I have boiled a little bit to be safe, because I found out that salmonella is actually in the outside of the egg, so I boiled it a little bit to be extra safe, because I don't want to die saying poggers. It just dawned on me how absolutely stupid this thing. Why did I even suggest doing this? Anyway, a promise is a promise, and okay, this is gonna be awkward. Okay. Ooh. I suck at cracking eggs. Oh, there's a cracked egg for you. I don't know where to put this. Why am I doing this? Okay. Here's to a new year, and screw all of you. Oh, that was very poggers. Why did I do this? Okay. Thank you all for an amazing 2020. And happy holidays. And stay safe. Do not do what I just did. Don't do this. Don't try this at home, kids. Adios.
Ugh, are you mocking me again?
Oh, no, Moony, look at alien!
Whatever.
I eat plastic.
Wait, Ada, you'll get lost in there.
Think positive.
Okay, I'm positive that you will get lost in there.
Trans rights are human rights. Do. Uh-oh. Do you like waffles?
No, I don't like waffles.
Do you like pancakes?
I don't like pancakes.
Do you like French toast?
Leave me alone.
Can't wait to get 'em out. Hit the whip and the dab.